If this, just think about it. If you got in on this one and it did the slight pullback, you should still be fine, right? You don't even need to shed 50%. It never broke VWAP. You know what I mean? Like, but again, it's up to you. I would rather you lighten your load here just to ease your mind, to allow you to do this, lighten the load to ease your mind, to maybe it does it again and you panic more, to lighten the load to ease your mind, right? Before you do it again, to lighten the load to ease your mind, and then it could keep going. Because what will happen is if you guys are in too big or you're not collecting profits, the first time it makes a little move, you're going to get all the way out right here on the pullback, and you're going to miss all this money. See it? And this is most of you right now, by the way. You're still doing this. This is most of you, right? I'm not picking on you guys because I'm not calling you out, but I'm telling you, this is most of you. You're doing this, it's pulling back, and you're getting all the way out right here, and then you're missing the whole run of the day. So for anybody that's new in here, when we're anticipating news, because some of you might are scratching your head right now. I know it's 8:44. A straddle is a call and a put for the exact same strike price and expiration date. You will then have a call to the long, a put to the short. By the way, this is how Jimmy made another 15 million. Call to the long, put to a short, and you will have a stop on each end of this. So there will be a stop here. And you got to give it a little bit of breathing room because, right, if this is your key critical level, you know, at the time when news is coming out, by the way, then you're going to have a stop here. Got to have a little bit of room, right? So what this means is if it goes, we'll use exactly what it did. You had a call to the upside with a stop, meaning if it goes to the downside, stop triggers, get you out of the call, and your put takes over basically from the moment that stop had happened, because you got to pay for the other contract that lost money, and the rest of that put makes money forever. Does that make sense?
Yes,
one
sir.
Call, one put, same thing, each side of the fence. Are you going to go up or are you going to go down? And I'm going to make money when you decide whichever way you want to go. It'll kill the other one and let the other one run. That way you guys don't lose money.